time for Medical Moments with Covenant Healthcare, and today we're talking with Dr. Jeffrey Osborne, and thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so we're talking about some very common injuries, sports injuries, and people that you help, they have sports-related injuries and pains with their joints. So what are some of the common services you offer your patients?
So some of the things we offer here at Covenant are minimally invasive techniques to treating injuries that can occur both during athletic activities and from overuse involving any of the major joints, the shoulder, the hip, the knee, and so all those things can usually be soft tissue injuries, so tendon tears, ligament tears, instability, and we're able to go in and try to provide stabilization and fixation of those structures to allow people to get back to their activities and their sports.
So a lot of parents know this football games, soccer matches, they're not always during business hours. So what do you do if you or your child gets hurt, kind of on different hours like that?
Well, obviously, Covenant always has the emergency room available 24/7, and then they have some after-hour clinics available. But one thing that we've launched recently this summer with the sports medicine program is a sports medicine hotline. And it's a phone number that they can call anytime, basically I think until about 11 p.m. at night, where they can get contacted with one of our sports medicine physicians directly and get firsthand advice on initial management and should they go to the emergency room, should they go to urgent care, or can we help facilitate managing their pain and getting them into the office as soon as possible.
All right, fantastic. That number there is also right on your screen in case you'd like to call. So who can call the sports medicine team?
Basically anyone that has an acute injury or a family member with acute injury. So if your child or grandchild has an injury during a practice or a sporting event after hours, they can call, or if you yourself were involved in an injury, whether it was during a recreational game or just injuring yourself out for a run during an athletic activity, we're happy to help.
And why is this something that you're so passionate about, helping people with these sports-related injuries?
Yeah, it's such a gratifying experience to be able to help people in this area of medicine, because these are things that people love to do. It's their hobbies, it's their activities, it's their passions, and these injuries prevent them from doing them, and our goal is to help to get them back to doing the things they want to do and love to do, and that tends to be a very gratifying experience.
Well, fantastic. Well, hopefully all of you stay safe while you're doing some of your sports and activities, but if not, we know a lot more about how to fix that then.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much for being here today, and if you would like some more information about this topic, head on over to the Hot Links section on WNEM.com.